Kuki narco terrorist singi makutta laikhidraba ningthau khong kha khunaudagi Athouba marigi Emung Manungsingda ngasi Chief Minister N.Biren sing masamak Chattuna Emung Manunggi Awabada Saruk Yakhre amade ex gracia oina laikhidraba singi Emungda lupalak tara so khusinaki haire Kuki terrorist singi ka henba thawong adubo akanba mongda yaningdaba phongdokpaga loinana maral leiba singi mathakta lokhatfam thokpa aingi oiba Taurang sing laukat kani haina mahak na makata na phongdokhe.
The living condition of the families, and someone has lost their husband, leaving the families and the small children. Someone's leaving, as all mothers. It is very unfortunate and very sad, and it is highly condemnable. And condemning in the strongest term those Kuki militants, the terrorists who are killing the innocent farmers. And the state government has already started hunting of the terrorists, and we will definitely hunt them down, and we will book as per the law of the land.
Initially, I do believe that you might be handing some of the monetary assistance for the Biren family. I think how much amount has been?
No, as per the norms, we are delivering 10 lakh